Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all to BharatBenz Premiere 2.0. I wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021. My name is Charlene Eid, representing BharatBenz, and I will be your host today. Now let me invite Mr. Satyakam Arya, our MD and CEO, to address you. Satyakam, please join me on stage.
Thank you, Charlene. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Team BharatBenz, a very warm welcome to all, and thank you for being with us today despite your busy schedules. I also wish you a very happy and eventful New Year 2021. We met most of you face to face exactly a year ago at Mumbai during our BS6 premiere event. It was such a fabulous showcase of BharatBenz technical prowess that the customers with whom I interact keep recollecting this experience. From then to now, so much has happened around us, making sudden and inevitable changes to the way we carry on with our lives. On the physical front, we learned to breathe through masks, wash hands often, and maintain a safe distance from people. On the business side, we put health as a priority over profits, embraced digitalization faster than ever, and found that office spaces were no longer a necessity for a successful business operation. However, certain things never change despite how difficult the situation turns out to be. Things such as the way we cared for our family, friends, and employees during the pandemic. The way in which compassion flourished by extending the helping hand for those in need. We must not forget that our behavior may be temporary, but our values are permanent. And 2020 was the time to live those values more than ever. At BharatBenz, despite so many changes in the last 1 year, one thing remained constant: our commitment towards our customers and society. Last year, when we introduced our all-new BS6 truck and bus range, we had promised to offer the lowest total cost of ownership through Profit Technology Plus. And this technology delivered best-in-class fuel efficiency, superior safety and comfort, unmatched reliability, lowest maintenance cost, and connected trucks and buses. Since the start of BS6 sales in April 2020, we are truly overwhelmed by the response you have shown for BharatBenz. That also reflected in our market share, which has nearly doubled from the BS4 time. Thank you once again for showing your confidence in us. This gives us the motivation and energy to challenge ourselves further and up the bar in future. Last January, we had also promised to you that we will continue to expand our network till the time our customer reach is second to none. And I'm happy to announce that in spite of COVID, we kept our promise. As 2020 ended, our network is now 250 plus touch points across India, which means we are ready to deliver 3 hours of reach to our customers. Coming to the agenda of the day, BharatBenz is known for offering solutions to meet the evolving and dynamic needs of our customers and society. Given that we are living in the COVID world, the pace at which these changes are needed has in fact multiplied. Therefore, today we are here to showcase to you innovative solutions that will help our customers to excel in their businesses and benefit the society. To do that, let me invite Rajaram, our Vice President, Marketing, Sales, and Customer Service. And before I step out, I would like to thank each one of you for the trust you have placed in us. That is our source of inspiration to keep innovating and delivering best value for your money. The stage is all yours, Rajaram.
Thank you, Satyakam. Vanakkam and Namaskar. It is truly a remarkable journey for BharatBenz over the past 9 months. My dear customers across India, I thank you for this incredible trust in us and welcome everyone to Premier 2.0. Now let me invite Pradeep, our Vice President for R&D, and Mr. Alex Seidel, our Head of Bus Business.
Thank you, Rajaram.
Let me begin with a question to Pradeep. Pradeep, India is gearing up for a mass COVID-19 vaccination drive. One of the biggest challenges put forth by the administrators is transport of vaccine to the nook and corner of such a vast country like India. I understand that we have a solution to this Himalayan task. Can you please explain this to us?
Yes, Rajaram. The logistics is a key factor in COVID vaccine transport that often gets underrated. We understood this void and decided to fast track the development of vaccine carriers to speed up our return to normalcy. Taking up this responsibility is our range of best-in-class rigid trucks, bringing to the fore the highest level of technological advancement and features that every cold chain logistics provider desires for. We have codenamed this solution B-Safe Express. B-Safe Express is a range of 10-ton to 42-ton fully built reefer trucks custom built for pharma and vaccine logistics. To begin with, we are showcasing the solution that is built on 2823R, a mile muncher known for its reliability, faster turnaround time, and lowest maintenance. These are essential for a vehicle carrying life-saving medicine. The reefer unit is built with best-in-class thermal infusion by using XPS or GRP insulation material, having closed molecular structure, leading to an excellent resistance not just to temperature, but also to water as well. High-end, slim, and lightweight AC ensures outstanding performance by having ozone-friendly refrigerant, electronic expansion valves, advanced PLC for built-in safety features, and intelligent logic control, of all which reduces overall fuel consumption. The smart telematics system that enables asset monitoring in real time configures temperature range for each reefer separately, reports exceptional and escalations via SMS call, integrates easily with ERP system of pharma and fleet companies, and also provides complete traceability of temperature and other sensor data from shipment to last mile delivery. To summarize, we are proud to say B-Safe Express is truly a state-of-the-art that combines reliability and innovation. It is ready to serve cold chain logistics players who have the task to save millions of lives.
Thank you, Pradeep. That is quite reassuring, and what a way to contribute to the society when in need. That brings me to another important question. While most of us have the luxury to isolate ourselves by working from home and staying indoors to protect ourselves from COVID, our drivers simply cannot. They have to be on the move to keep the nation moving. Is there a way to offer them a safe working place?
Yes, Rajaram. Driver availability is one of the concerns that most fleet owners mention to us when we meet them. BharatBenz already has the knack of retaining the drivers by offering the best working space in the Indian CV industry in terms of safety and comfort. Best-in-class AC, power windows, central locking, cruise control, driver attention monitoring system, crash-tested cabin, seat belts and music system, and whatnot in our vehicles. Many customers with mixed fleets say that their drivers are refusing to drive anything other than BharatBenz. To take this benchmark to the next level, we have introduced some additional features on our trucks to offer better protection from COVID infection. Standard infection-proof fabric seats to curtail infection transfer, a curtain for physical separation between seating cabin crew and driver resting in the sleeper berth, a recommended COVID safety kit which has an N95 mask for driver, natural alcohol-based hand sanitizer and surface disinfectant spray, optional fitment of disinfection fogging machine and UV sanitizer box. The whole bundle is called BeSafe Pack. The best part here is that the first 3 features in the BeSafe Pack would be made available as standard fitment in all our trucks at no extra cost.
Wow, that is truly commendable innovation. I do not think even car manufacturers have introduced such a pack to defend against COVID. I am now eager to know if we have a BeSafe pack on our buses too. Alex?
Of course. Good afternoon, Rajaram, and good afternoon, everyone. Well, as you know, bus transport is all about the passengers, and if they are happy and safe, the transporters will be profitable. With the lifting of the lockdown, most businesses have come back to normalcy, but for the passenger transport segment, people have restricted their travel largely due to the fear of infection. One way to boost confidence among passengers is to offer some additional protection as optional fitments or a series that offer better chance to defend themselves from COVID infection. Therefore, Rajaram, our BeSafe pack for bus contains, similar to truck, also touchless entry with pneumatic doors, a UV filter. We have auto sanitizer dispenser at the entry point. We have auto temperature sensor at the entry point. We have also the infection-proof fabric seat covers like in truck. We have additional disposable seat fabrics, and we also offer driver-passenger separation so that the driver is safeguarded. And of course, same that in the trucks, the sanitizing kit is also prepared. So current pandemic situation demands social distancing. Therefore, more seating capacity is required, and bodybuilders already started to provide wider bodies on our 10-ton chassis in order to adhere to the new norms. So therefore, with a solution from the bodybuilder, even a 50-seater is available on our chassis.
That is definitely inspiring confidence for people to switch to public transport again. Thank you, Alex. Moreover, when schools and colleges reopen, this will offer peace of mind to parents. Alex, I'm sure that you would have taken many new inputs from our bus customers. What else have you got in store for us?
Well, despite the BeSafe Plus package, we also showcase today the 1624 proven chassis with a parabolic suspension. And this has been a favorite from all our Moffasil bus customers. And now we have in our portfolio both the parabolic suspension as well as the air suspension with and without retarder in the portfolio. We are also working on a few new products that will be launched in the upcoming month, but this will explode this event, and therefore we concentrate today on these 2 features.
Thank you, Alex. I'm sure it is not far away for the entire country to get back to normalcy, be it workplace, educational institutes, and tourism to reopen. I'm confident on all what you mentioned, such as COVID protection for passengers, a 1017 staff bus with possibility of 50 seats, and a 1624 chassis with parabolic suspension to gain prominence very soon. Pradeep, how about trucks? I'm sure you have a lot to offer there as well.
Yes, Rajaram. We have some great new products for our truck customers as well. Let me start by introducing the most fuel efficient 12-ton payload truck in the market, our 1917R. Yes, you heard it right. Our long-haul customers' most favorite 1617Rs with more payload. The new 1917R retains all the exceptional characteristics of 1617R, such as class-leading fuel efficiency, outstanding reliability, and low maintenance cost. In addition to this, it has increased loading span options and is available in 20, 22, 24, and 31-foot long loading spans. We are also providing both tubeless and radial tire options to specifically target highway and parcel applications. There are diesel tank options in order to reduce frequent refilling and has a reinforced frame leading to increased reliability. And what more, the new 1917R offers up to 10% fuel efficiency compared to the competition in selected applications. Second, we have a 4228R with the innovative M-cab, making it one of the longest loading span fully built trucks in its class. M-cab retains all the safety and comfort features of BharatBenz proven factory-fitted cabin, but it shrinks its length marginally and makes additional room for the loading span to grow. So this allows overall loading span of up to 32 feet, suitable for parcel and container applications. Having told about the 42-ton, let me also introduce another special variant in it, which is a ground-up built tanker for our tanker customers. A 4228R with a fully built 34 kiloliter tanker. What is unique here is its packaging. The complete left side of the truck wheelbase is made free to integrate tanker's discharge faucet. In addition, since a loaded tanker CG is high, all these tankers are equipped with anti-roll bars as standard fitment. Next, as our customers know, we are the benchmark in the industry for reliability and we keep raising the bar. The next product that we are introducing is a classic example for it. Our 1015R now gets an upgrade in its powertrain with a stronger G85 gearbox. This not only improves its reliability, but also its great climbing capability. In addition to this, our entire MDT range has an improved service interval of 50,000 kilometers, which ensures lower maintenance cost for our trucks. Finally, our iconic 2828C is now available with 22 cubic meter loading capacity to cater to coal transport. It comes with the longest wheelbase in its class, making it the most stable coal carrier in the market.
Pradeep, hold on a minute. I am already losing count here. We have a B-Safe Express, an all-new 1917R, a 4228R tanker variant, and a 31 feet variants. In addition, we have a 1015R with improved reliability, a 2828 construction vehicle with enhanced load body capacity. That is 6 new trucks, and it's a phenomenal list. Thank you. Satyakam, as always, my customers know that we announce products only when they are ready for sale. Moreover, they know that we will unveil the products when we announce them. Can you please join us on stage and show us the products?
Sure, Rajaram. Well, this time the vehicle unveil is not the only surprise. Therefore, let me keep it on pause for a moment. Let me still surprise everyone with something different and reflects once again our value of customer centricity. We talked about the trust the customers have in BharatBenz. And when our customers show that trust at every possible opportunity, it evolves into loyalty. At BharatBenz, every customer is an asset and every loyal customer is a treasure. So to go beyond just thanking them in words, we are delighted to introduce a program that rewards them for their continued trust in brand BharatBenz. It is therefore my pleasure to introduce BharatBenz Rewards, our loyalty program. BharatBenz Rewards is a program where you accumulate points for every rupee spent at a BharatBenz outlet, be it for vehicle purchase, service, spare parts, or maintenance contracts. You can then use these accumulated points to pay your future bills at any BharatBenz outlet, again for any of these above services. You can even redeem these points for a gift like luxury car from Mercedes-Benz or an exclusive tour to Daimler facilities across the globe, to highlight a few. I promise you that there is more waiting for you in BharatBenz Rewards when you see this in detail. Today, we are launching this rewards program to all our BharatBenz customers.
Satyakam, that is definitely a pleasant surprise. Exactly on the same day last year, we launched the Excellence program to take care of our key account customers. Now rewards our loyalty program to follow that. This is truly an outstanding proposition and my customers would love to be benefited with. Thank you.
Well, thanks, Rajaram. And now, without further ado, let us unveil our new products to our customers. The two new products that you just witnessed are one of its kind, helping the nation sail through this pandemic. And that's not all. I'm excited to introduce the all-new wider range of Bharat 6 products that will give our customers more options to choose for their business needs. Dear customers, we thank you all once again for your trust and confidence, and we look forward to a great 2021 for all of us. Thank you very much for your attention, and Charlene, over to you.
Dear customers, it is not the end of the event yet. We have the virtual lobby where you will get directed next. There we have all the vehicles on display with our product explainers waiting to walk you through the trucks and the buses. In addition, we have stalls for used vehicles, connectivity, and a lot more. Also, do remember to visit the Be Safe stall and collect your merchandise kit that will be mailed to your address. So thank you all, and let us open the lobby to our guests.